Very pleasant. Yep, we're going. There we go. Off we go. So there we go. 2 engines pulling all this lot quite easily, really. Obviously, when you've got 2 engines like this, they've got to be in tune with each other. You don't want one going too faster than the other. Bit of communication between the 2 drivers. Yes. Cut the corner, Mick.